Is AI making your skills obsolete? That's the thought on many minds as artificial intelligence evolves faster than we can blink. It's natural to feel a bit anxious with headlines warning us about changes in the job market. But guess what? Instead of seeing AI as a threat, view it as a colossal opportunity for a future proof career. This journey isn't about surviving, it's about thriving. So, what skills do you need to master? Let's dive into the in demand AI skills that'll keep you ahead. First up is prompt engineering, the new digital language. It's about communicating effectively with AI, boosting your productivity, and generating amazing results. Next, we've got AI ethics. Understanding the social impact of AI and recognizing biases is crucial. Companies need those who can navigate these moral waters. Then there's data analysis. Interpreting and preparing data is invaluable in our data-driven world. Lastly, AI tool integration. It's all about seamlessly using AI tools to enhance your workflow and save time. Ready to take action? Identify your niche, dive into resources, and practice relentlessly. Embrace these skills, collaborate with AI, and position yourself for success. Which skill will you focus on first? Drop your thoughts in the comments.